Yeah.
I don't know what's going on.
To be honest.
Yeah, but I'm just. Do you see how amazing that? Do you see?
Yeah, I must say.
You know what you can do? You can find it.
What? Yeah, please tell us.
Or
That is quite cool.
it's lit here. It's lit. Yeah, it's sis. You can do that.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm joined by some of my international friends who are exchange students at the University of Ottawa, and I'm really excited. I'm just going to record their reaction to me showing them how to use OneNote. So you guys excited?
Yes, yeah, please.
Yeah, sure.
Right, okay, so
Is this a joke?
no, this isn't a joke, mate. This is not.
What's OneNote?
This is what. Okay, right. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how I record a lecture, annotate it, make notes, and also have referencing of the lecture notes to the recording. Are you ready?
Yeah!
So what I'm doing is I'm sending my lecture notes to OneNote, and then you are going to see the magic of OneNote. Are you ready? Alright, so imagine you're in lectures and you're like, oh, I wish I could record what he was saying. You can do that, and let me show you how. He said you're in lecture, you want to record your lecture, you can do that. All you need to do is go on insert and record audio. So anyway, I'm in lecture and I make a note. I'm like, hee hee, ha ha, ha ha. Right, so it's been the end of a long day and I'm like, right, so I wonder what this bit here meant. So you know what you can do? You can play basically the hee hee ha ha note when I type it out and I stop typing it. OneNote basically like captures the recording at the time I wrote the hee hee ha ha note. And so it's the end of a long day and I'm like, what does hee hee ha ha mean? You just press play.
I didn't realise that, okay. But anyway, I'm in lecture and I make a note. I'm like,
That is quite cool.
It's lit here. It's lit. Yeah, it's
People who actually go for lectures, this is useful.
okay, so sometimes what can happen is lecturers write notes on the board, right? And sometimes you might just draw on the board, you might just copy what they've drawn on the board, but you don't actually understand what they're doing.
Okay.
So what you can do is you can actually record them drawing on the board and then follow it back when you get home. Yeah. So like, for example, your lecturer, so you're in a lecture and like, so right now we're recording. So now imagine we're now using the front camera and we're recording the lecturer. And then he draws something on the board, for example, like, I don't know, a little squiggle. He draws something on the board and you're like, ah, what the hell does this mean? Not a problem, because you know why? Do you know why it's not a problem?
Why? Why?
Why? Tell me more.
So what are we doing? Okay, so end of a long day again, your lecturer drew something on the board, you have no idea what it means, but it's okay. End of long day, you want to see, why did I draw that squiggle there? Or what did he mean when he did that thing on the board? Because you've recorded him doing it, you can just play it back.
you draw something on the board.
Oh, I think it's quite useful actually.
Yeah, it's very useful.
Do you know why it's not a
You can
problem?
just sleep during lectures.
Why?
Right, I never knew these things.
I was mind blown when I found out about
Is
it.
this like a UK thing?
No.
No?
It's you know what? OneNote has always been there. It's always been there.
Wow.
That's what, you know when you go on print and it always has the printer sent to OneNote?
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
OneNote.
Oh, this is OneNote.
This is OneNote.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, okay, and then you know sometimes you might have the issue. For example, you've drawn on your lecture notes and you're like, oh my god, it's too big, what am I going to do? Do you know what you can do? You can simply resize it and put it somewhere else and move it along the page, you see?
Wow.
Okay, now that's not as impressive as the video, but
Yeah.
that's useful too. Right?
Yeah. No, but like it's still, but the video is still there. You're gonna resize it and you're still gonna play the video. You wanna see yourselves again?
You draw something on the board and you're like, what does this mean? Not a problem, because you know why? Do you know why it's not a problem? Why? Tell me more. So what are we doing? Okay, so
Do you see how amazing that? Do you see?
Yeah, this is quite amazing, I must say.
You can just go, you can literally go to lectures, type up all your notes, listen to the lectures again, and like it's such an effective and efficient way to take notes. And like now I will never miss anything ever again. I'll be like, oh, what did you say in lecture? Because I've got it. I've got it.
You got it.
Yeah, and you know, if you miscopy something off the whiteboard, because some lecturers don't like using the PowerPoint, it's okay, you got it. It's recorded. And you know, and you know what the best thing is? If you have a tablet, and you have the little pen, it's even easier because you just go like this. But on this, you kind of have to like ting and then. You know, but on the tablet you just circle it and type it. You know, you can have the keyboard, you can have the pen. It's just amazing.
Impressive.
And then what you can do is like you can save it online onto a cloud because it's Microsoft. You can save it online onto a cloud and then access it anywhere, anytime on any device.
Whoa.
Yeah. Oh, and there's also something else that is really lit about this. So sometimes your lecturer might be like, oh, see slide. Oh, I've talked about this in lecture, blah, blah, blah. Well, you know what you can do? You can actually insert an attachment to the file that he was talking about. So like he might be like, oh, see lecture 51. And then you'll be like, eh? And then all you need to do is just simply just go like this. Attach file. So that when you go through your notes, you're like, oh, so that's the lecture was on about. You just click it, open it, sorted.
Oh god, so convenient.
Do you see what I mean?
Okay.
I bet you did it.
No, that's you go for lectures. To be honest.
Alright, it's true.
No, but I bet I wish I knew about this like at the start of the year because I was in class and there was this girl and she was like I saw her with the lecture notes and it recorded and I was like.
It's some high.
And then I sat next to her and I was like, what's going on? I was mum and I was like, so is it recording and you're making lecture notes? What? And then I went home and I found out more and I was like, where have I been? Where have I been? Where have I been? And the best thing is, like, you know how you can have one section? You can have all your lecture notes of that section all in one file, rather than having to go on my files and then blah 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 and then blah blah blah. It'll all be on one folder.
Like, wow. All in one place, man. All in one place.
Are you blown away?
It's really useful.
Yeah,
Really
I never knew it
lecture.
existed. I thought I've heard of it.
Yeah, I've heard of it as
Yeah.
well. It's only until this girl in class, I was like, can I take a snapshot? I think she was just like, chill out. And I was like,
it's just one
I said, no, but like, how are you doing that? Yeah. And then I was like, wait, can you explain?
Wow.
I'm just gonna go through the stuff on OneNote again, just so that you understand like how to use it. Okay, so you're in lectures, right? And you want to record the audio. You go on where it says insert, record audio. Brilliant. So the lecturer is talking.
Okay.
You type your notes. Okay, it's the end of a long day or whatever, and the lecture's finished, and you're like, what does that note stand for? What was he saying when I wrote that? You just simply click on it and press play.
Brilliant. So the lecturer is talking.
This is amazing.
But she's still amazed, to be honest.
Yeah, I was mind blown when I found out about it.
So the lecturer is talking.
Okay, I need to stop myself. Right, okay. Stop. Okay, and then for example, the lecturer's doing something on the board, or he's drawing something and you're drawing along with him. Wait, hold on. Wait, so the lecturer's drawing something. Okay, so you want to record Okay, so you want to record your lecturer drawing something on the board and you're following him as well. So you also draw blah, blah, blah. And then you finish your recording. How do you finish it? Okay, so record video. Okay, so you finish your recording. It's the end of a long day. You're like, oh, what was it he drew on the board? What does this squiggle mean? Not a problem. You just simply go onto the squiggle wherever my mouse is. Today would be great, mouse. Where is it? Where did you go? I can't find him. Oh my god, what happened to you, mouse?
Where?
There.
Oh, yeah,
End of a long day. What does this squiggle mean? It's okay, honey.
Blah, blah, blah. And then you finish your recording. How do you finish it? Okay, so record.
Yeah. And then, last but not least, your lecturer says to you, oh, make sure you look at lecture number 2, not a problem. You go on insert, file attachment, and
attach
then
the lecture there, and it's all in one place.
well, we got this.
That's right.
We got this! Yay! Yeah, so that was the video, guys.
Oh, okay, that's great, yeah. Thanks for telling us all this. I'm glad I came to
Yeah, I
class.
feel like it's really useful.
Yeah, I mean,
it's
it's the end of the exam season, so it's a bit late,
yeah.
But
but
it's time for the next exam
next
season.
exam.
Next exam
I love
season.
that, yeah.
That's right.
yeah, lovely. Yeah.
Lovely, okay, trauma time.
I'm glad you've enjoyed it.
Yes, yeah.
Thank you for your
Oh.
All right then.